What is up, you guys? It's Donovan for ANN at the end, and today we are unboxing The Martian on Blu-ray. This movie comes with Blu-ray and a digital copy. This movie does come in a sleeve to protect the box, which I do love because a lot of boxes get damaged, but with the sleeves it really protects it. The Martian with Matt Damon is definitely a movie worth watching. I've watched it in the theaters a couple times, and this is a commentary, and I've watched this on DVD a couple times myself before even recording my voice narration over this. It's definitely just an amazing movie all the way around. I definitely recommend anyone to get this, kids, adults, teens, anybody. I'm not a science guy, but after I watched this movie, it definitely got me into it, because just the science that they have behind the movie and explanations on it is just amazing. Like a lot of movies, it has the extra tape on the top to hold the box together, so holds it together when you buy it, and just take it off and open the box up. Matt Damon's acting was absolutely amazing in this movie. I definitely give him a 10 out of 10 on acting. So The Martian on Blu-ray disc is on the right, and the digital copy is on the left side. So here's the digital copy right here. It has a scan this code and the actual code manually. There's The Martian, the novel. So if you like the movie, definitely get the novel. If you like the novel, definitely get the movie. So here is The Martian, you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to watch my other unboxing videos, check out my channel. Subscribe, comment a movie that you would like for me to do an unboxing of in the comments below. Put a like on this video if you liked it. If not, hit a dislike. I just really want to know your opinions. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later.